So you want to buy a house this year. Here are the 3 things we're going to do to make sure that that's a successful endeavor for you. First, we're going to make sure we get the appointment booked, which sounds strangely simple, but it's not. We're going to make sure that you do your due diligence before we walk through the house, and we're going to make sure we've got your finances in order. So first, booking the appointment. A lot of sellers right now are not allowing overlapping showings. So the second you see a house come on the market, let's say it's a Tuesday, and the showings aren't starting until Friday, if you think you might want to see it Friday or Saturday, call me on Tuesday. We are going to have to book that appointment right away, because if somebody else books the time you want to get in, we will not be able to get in at that time. So the longer we wait to book, the less chance there is that we're going to get the time we want, and sometimes we can't get in at all. Second thing, we're going to do our due diligence before we go see the house. You are going to scour those pictures. You're going to look through those disclosures backwards and forwards. You'll do your drive-bys. You're going to scope out the neighborhood so that you really feel comfortable. There's a good chance that we're going to have a half hour at the most to be inside that house, and then there will be a deadline for when you have to make that offer. You will have to move very, very fast, and so the more work we can do ahead of time, the less stress you will feel during that very stressful time. Last but not least is getting yourself financially prepared. Not only does that mean getting your pre-approval, but it means getting your lender on speed dial so that when we are standing in that house on a Saturday and the deadline is going to be Sunday morning for offers, you can call your lender, know exactly what you'll owe on a down payment at closing. You'll know exactly what you'll owe on a monthly basis if you make an offer at a specific amount, and you're going to feel very, very comfortable financially. So those are the 3 big things right now. Obviously, every house has some nuances, and we're going to work through them together.